Okay, guys, we're back. Now, if you watched the last video, which you may have, I tried installing a new server, an MCP server. I was pretty excited about it. Had a lot of promise. It still does. It could be really cool. But, oh my God, it just crashed my entire Claude Desktop. So, video we're going to make right now is how to reset your Claude Desktop, because unfortunately I have no choice right now. I literally cannot use it. I'll give you a little rundown of what it looks like when, it's not working at all. It's, let's see. Oh, well, I had to force quit it. So we're going to start there, but I pulled up some instructions here and I'm going to walk through this with you just in case you have to do it yourself. So, if you did what I did and you crashed your Claude Desktop, you can't sign in anymore, we're going to do this together. So, and honestly, I made a bunch of mistakes on there trying to set up different MCP servers and whatnot anyway. So I think it's better. It's like one of those things where it sucks when it happens, but then you look back and you're like, it's probably a good thing it happened. So anyways, let's get into it. Here's the jam. So I'm on a Mac, so this is for Macs. All right. If you're on a Windows, I'm sorry, I can't help you. I don't know if it's the same. Either way, it's just keeping it simple. I just went on to ChatGPT, did some research. So 1, quit Claude Desktop completely. I did this. Okay. I'm already there. Then I realized that you guys probably are not there with me. So we're going to do it together. Step 2. Trash the application bundle. So open applications. Yep. I'm just going to search applications. That's not it. Come on. Where are you? Command space, applications. Open. That's still not it. Got to go through Finder. Okay. Opening up Finder. Applications, and we're gonna go drag Claude into the trash. Oh my God, this hurts so much to do, but I think it's super necessary. I'm just gonna share a bit of my screen. I think it's probably gonna be a little easier to, yeah, it's gonna look kind of gross for just a hot second, but that's okay because we're doing it together. All right. So let's see here. Did not work. Did not work. So we're going into applications. Right here. Filter by name. Here's Claude. I'm gonna drag that. Let's see. I just drew it right into the trash, man. That hurt. I'll empty the trash. Now, that's a simple copy. That's a thing. Where are you? You're not it. Where's my conversation? Here it is. Okay. Jesus. We lost sight quick. All right. Then we're going to purge all support files. So, open terminal, command space, terminal. Go. Just copy and paste that right in there. Something came up, so I just push it right back. Yeah. And now that we did that, I'm just going to show what happened. There's no use in overthinking this. I'm trying to figure out. Okay. How do I do that? now we're going to go back and we're going to re-download it. Let's get back into a normal thing here. Okay. We're going to go try Claude. Great. Pro plan, fine. Now, what do I have to do here? From the official site, how do I download this? Pro plan, learn more. Settings. Download Claude Desktop. I mean, maybe I shouldn't even be downloading it. Maybe this is a sign that I kind of like lost, you know, my right to download this stuff. There you go. Open link. Mac OS. Now it did say to, if you plan on using custom models or MCP to recreate your, how do I do that? I'm going to say this. I'm just going to put this in here and give it to Claude and be like, planning on using custom models and MCPs. To be downloaded. Yeah. Is this just going to do it? Yeah. Okay, it's here in this. Okay, it says step 2. I'm going to say, give me the bash commands to make sure this all happens properly. MCP servers to kickstart when Claude Desktop is opened. All right. Provide you with comprehensive commands. No, I'm on Mac. Stop. I'm on Mac. App has been downloaded. Should I do this on the app? Or is there an MCP so that it can maneuver these files itself? Cool, we're cooking. Right? Because what we want to be able to do is make sure that this is set up in such a way. There isn't an MCP that manages other MCPs automatically. Okay. So let's go back to this. Back at it. Okay, so now let's start Claude Desktop from the applications window, which is where? Okay, so we are still into it. I was able to follow some instructions here and could not attach MCP server file system. So I open these MCP settings. The file system, as you can see here, has failed. Great. So just delete it. Okay. Started building your own server on desktop. We're going to build an. So look, we're just going to learn from scratch, I guess, because whatever is currently going on in here is like death. It's just straight death. Build it. 2 tools: get alerts and get forecast. Then we'll connect the server to MCP and Claude Desktop. Guides on building your own client. Okay, so. Core MCP concepts. MCP servers can provide 3 main capabilities: resources, tools, and prompts. Templates like. Now, if I understand this correctly, so we're going to go here. Gonna try this whole thing, copy the entire page. It's gonna be create this MCP server. You are on Mac. Claude Desktop. Okay. Let's see what it does, because frankly, had my music going in the background. I don't know if that's going to get like dinged. I don't monetize these anyways, but yes, that is my background music that you were hearing. I just like the funk, man. I'm a funk fan. I will post a link to what I was listening to, just in case you guys are curious or you want to get it started. Okay, looks like it's doing something. Restart Claude Desktop. Should see the hammer icon in Claude Desktop indicating that MCP tools are available. Click on it and see available tools. Test what's the weather. Check the log for details. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to throw that into terminal. And just have a look. You see this? So we're just going to see. It's kind of some weird coding stuff. I don't think it's a big deal. We'll figure it out together, man. We'll figure it out together. Okay. So what it's saying. Okay, so we're going to quit Claude. We're going to restart Claude. And like it said, we should see some hammer tools, which I don't. Tell me the... Wait, it needed something else, didn't it? Okay, restart Claude. After restarting, you should see hammer icon. I don't. CP tools are available. I don't. Test the weather. What's the forecast? Okay. What's the forecast for New York today? Okay, I guess it worked. Can you complete the setup? Okay, so it's still not working. There's something here that I don't get. There's something here I'm not getting. Okay, we're back. It's up and running. We have it up and running. The thing I'm trying to figure out now is getting all the different MCPs installed. It's going to be a different video. This video is already going to be super long. If you watch to the end, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and just like struggling for a while. What a party, right? Oh, God, that sucked. Yeah, we got beat up today a little bit. But you know what? Not every day is going to be like a super easy cakewalk day. Either way, thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, as you can see, we kind of got it up and running again, which is like not nothing. The instructions were on ChatGPT. I will post them in the comments below, along with some of the other stuff that I'm going to get done. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On the next video, we're just going to keep going, man. Putting together a strategy for a proposal for a local dental firm. Because why not? It should be fun, right? Anyways, like, subscribe. There's a button there. Oop, that way. Hit them all up. Let me know how it goes. I would love to chat with you. Please let me know how I'm doing. I'd love the feedback. Anyways, cheers, guys.